Testing word. In this session, we are going to cover element locator, that is class. So in previous session, we have seen how we can locate an element with the ID and name. In this session, we are going to cover class. For that, I am moving to my browser and I want to locate this search box. So I just right click and inspect element with Firebug. So it open HTML of the particular search box. Here we can see developer set class. We can pick this value which is set in the class. I'm copying it and moving through Selenium IDE. Here this time I want to locate an element by using class. So class is equal to and the complete text which we have copied from the class. Click on this find button and now you can see we are able to highlight the element. Means we are using correct element locator. So click on this find again and here element is highlighted. I try to find out any other element. So here on the search button, click on inspect element with Firebug and you can see we have a class attribute. So copy this and now I want to class is equal to and this time I am highlighting it. So in the HTML you can see it highlights and also if you see this like on the border of this text box we are going to get this. We are going to get a green color bracket. So here every time you click on this find button it's going to highlight this. Means we are able to locate an element correctly by using this class. I want to show you the same thing on this Facebook. So like I want to locate this text box. So I just right click on this, inspect element with Firebug. So here we have used class is equal to input text. So I'm just copying this and now I want to locate an element with the class input text. Click on find. So element is highlighted. In the same way, I want to locate this second text box with the class. So on the class, here the class is again input text. I copied this. So this time I'm trying to highlight this password box. So this is the HTML of this password box. I write like class is equal to input text. So it should highlight this password box. But let's see what happened. I click on this find button. Here you can see even I was locating this password box, but it is still highlighting the username. Why it is happening? Because element locator which I have used here which is class, and if you see the HTML, so username text box is also have the same class. So whenever we are locating any element by using any element locator, it always work on the first search. First search means because we are using class is equal to input text and we can have many element with the class input text, it's going to search only first element. So if I click on the find button, only first search element is going to be highlighted. So that is the most important point that we need to understand. Like if we are using any element locator and that element locator is able to locate multiple elements, so it's going to work on the first search element. So here with the help of this class we are going to locate multiple element, but it is always highlighting the first search element because Selenium work on the first searched element. So whenever we are writing the element locator, it's best practice to use this find button. If my element is not highlighted, means we are not using correct element locator. We can change element locator. We can use any other element locator. So here we have seen how we can use class as a element locator. So we have covered 3 element locators like ID, name and class. So that's all we have for this session. Thanks for watching this video.